the useful power used in pumping 3425 meter cube water per hour from well 8 meters deep to the surface. Supposing 40% of the horsepower during pumping is wasted. What is the horsepower of the engine? Okay, so listen here. Find the useful power used in pumping of the 3425 meter cube. Meter cube means that is the volume. Okay, so of a water per hour from a well 8 meters deep to the surface, and supposing the 40% of horsepower during the pump is wasted, 40% wasted. So the remaining, what is the horsepower of the engine? Okay, so the given information. So the useful power used in a pumping 3425 meter cube of water. Okay, got it. So next one, so for hour, 1 hour time is given. So time is equal 1 hour and 8 meters deep, that is called as a height. Okay, so n is equal 3425 meter cube. Okay, mass. And so the next one is given time t. So t is equal 1 hour. 1 hour is equal, so 60 into 60. Okay, right. So next one, height. Height is depth, that is called as a 8 meters depth. Okay, so the 40% of horsepower during pumping is wasted. So that is the thing part here. So 40%. So 40% of power. So remaining 60%. Okay, so 40% of wasted pumping of water. Okay, so remaining enta 60%. So మనం 60 కి మాత్రమే క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాం. 40% వేస్ట్ అవుతుంది ఆల్రెడీ. సో రిమైనింగ్ ఎంత 60% మాత్రమే క్యాలిక్యులేట్. అంటే సో రిమైనింగ్ 60%. 60% పర్సెంటేజ్ మీన్స్ 60/100. 60/100 into power. అంటే 60% of power is equal mgh by t. mgh by t. Okay, so 60%, 60/100 by into p is equal m. M is equal 3425 into g is equal 10. H is equal 8 meters by time 60 into 60. Okay, so power p is equal. Okay, so here multiplication, so going to division. Okay, 100 by 60. So 100 into 3425 into 10 into 8 by 60 into 60 into 60. So is 60 divided. Okay, 100. So 500 as 100 into 3425 into 10 to the power of okay 10 into 8 there. Okay, so that means here that 2 zeros and 1 0, 3 zeros. So 3 zeros are cancelled. Okay, so remaining we get 3 4 2 5. 3 4 2 5 into 8 and 6 is the 36. 36 into 6 is the change multiplication. So 8 5 is the
40. 16.
Twenty-seven 400 by 216. Okay. So 216 అంటే something 1 point something వస్తుంది. Okay. Instead of 216. So 216 27 400. So 216. Una. Eight. Remaining on this one? 5. 4. 480. 480 means 2. 452. So 1.122 point something is okay na? Power. Ento the answer to okay. Calculate the AMD. Okay. So write down. So now discuss the another topic. So that is the show that the two equal masses undergo oblique elastic collisions will move right angles after collisions. Okay. It is the second body initially at rest. The second body initially at rest. So the first show that the two equal masses is taken of the two bodies are considered mass 1, mass 2 are equal. So oblique elastic collisions. After collisions, will move the right angles. Right angle means 90 degrees. Okay. So now we consider the body. So this is the body and is taken another body. Okay. So mass are equal m1 and m2. Okay. So here the initial velocity of the first body is u. So second body is at rest. At rest. Okay. So rest is taken. So now here observe. So the two bodies is taken. The two bodies consider the mass is equal or same. That is the m. Or m1 and m2 is taken. Or m. M is that is means here similar mass. Okay, that is the m. M is the mass of the two bodies. Okay, so here given the condition, if the second body initially at rest, so the rest of the body. ఇంకొక బాడీ వచ్చేసి సమ్ వెలాసిటీ తోటి దాన్ని కొలిజన్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఆఫ్టర్ కొలిజన్స్ now prove that, so move the right angles each other, move right angles 90 degrees తోటి ఒకదానికొకటి విడిపోతాయట. ఎప్పుడిది? సో ఒక బాడీ having the same masses are considered two bodies. Okay, so the second body initially at rest. Okay, so the one body, so with some velocity and collision with the another body. After collisions, the two bodies are moving right angles to each other. Prove that. Okay, so by using that means here they taken not a one dimensional collision, two dimensional collisions. Okay, so because here by using of the already, so manam motion in a plane lo, so that is called as a cos theta sin theta component is taken, u cos theta u sin theta. Okay, so now here also like that, so the cos theta and the sin theta components is taken along the x axis and along the y axis. Okay, so here taken, that is called as a x axis, here along the x axis, so v, that is the angle theta 1, v1 cos theta 1, v2 cos theta 2. Along the y axis, so v1 sin theta 1, v2 sin theta 2. Okay, these are angles are divided, there is the components are divided. So now that is show that the two equal masses, that is the masses are equal, m and m. Okay, oblique elastic collisions and will move right, and oblique elastic collisions means after collisions not a straight line. Then here also like that. Okay, so now by using the law of conservation of angular momentum, along the x axis, law of conservation of angular momentum. So the momentum P is equal mass into velocity. According to law of conservation of linear momentum, so momentum of the before system, momentum of the after system. Okay, before system, after system equal, that is called as a conservation. Law of conservation of momentum, so before the system is equal, after system. Before system we can write, so that is the mu, mass into velocity. Got it? After collision, so m1 v1 cos theta 1 plus m2 v2 cos theta 2. Okay, got it. M is the same. Okay, so m is the same, common is taken m and cancel to each other, and so we get the equation u is equal v1 cos theta 1 plus v2 cos theta 2. Okay, so along the x-axis is taken, so the momentum is taken, so the momentum is equal mass into velocity, so the initial momentum is equal final momentum, before collision is equal after collision. So the before collision m into u, after collisions is taken. Okay, got it. Now, so here taken along the y-axis is taken also. Similarly, the momentum is applicable. So the momentum is applicable here taken along the y-axis. Along the y-axis, so the initially body is rest. Body is rest means mass into velocity is equal 0. The momentum is 0 initially. So that is the 0. Is equal after is nothing but, so you taken v1 sin theta 1 minus v2 sin theta 2. These are opposite. v1 sin theta 1 minus v2 sin theta 2. So equation 1 and equation 2. Okay. So now these two equations are adding and squaring. Okay, both sides adding and squaring. Okay, so left side and right side adding and squaring. So adding here u plus 0 left side. Okay, so right side adding and squaring. Okay, so adding means here taken mu v1 cos theta 1 plus v2 cos theta 2 whole square plus v1 sin theta 1 v2 minus v2 sin theta 2 whole square. Okay, so u plus 0 u, so u is equal, so So V1 cos theta 1, V2 cos theta square, that means A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay. Also A minus B whole square, A square minus B square. A square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay. So 2AB. That means here V square cos square theta 1, V square sin square theta 1. మీరు ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేయండి ఇండైరెక్ట్ వస్తుంది v స్క్వేర్ cos స్క్వేర్ theta 1 v స్క్వేర్ sin స్క్వేర్ theta 1 బోత్ రెండులు ఉంటాయి సో v1 స్క్వేర్ కామన్ చేస్తే మిగిలింది sin స్క్వేర్ theta plus cos స్క్వేర్ theta is equal 1 so remaining equation we can write v1 yes that is the v1 square okay next v2 cos square theta అంటే v square cos square theta 2 v square sin square theta 2. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So remaining equation we can write v2 square. Okay. So remaining equation 2 v1 cos theta 1 v2 cos theta. Here minus 2 v1 sin theta 1 v2 sin theta 2. So that is equal minus 2 v1 and v2 is taken common. So remaining that is the cos theta 1 cos theta 2 minus sin theta 1 sin theta 2. That was my questions. అర్థమైంది మీరు కావాలనుకుంటే దీన్ని ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేయండి a plus b whole square ఫార్ములా ప్లస్ దీన్ని a minus b whole square ఫార్ములా అప్లికేట్ చేసి రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేయండి అదే డైరెక్ట్ వస్తుంది సో v square cos square theta ఇక్కడ కూడా v square sin square theta so cos square theta sin square is equal 1 so remaining v1 square so similar pattern here also like that v2 square minus 2v1 v2 is taken common because v1 and v2 2v1 v2 2v1 v2 both are taken common so remaining equation so that is a cos theta 1 cos theta 2 cos theta 1 cos theta 2 minus sin theta 1 sin theta 2 okay so cos theta 1 cos theta 2 minus sin theta 1 sin theta 2 that is called as a cos theta 1 plus theta 2 cos theta 1 plus theta 2 so that is equal u is equal v1 square plus v2 square minus 2 v1 v2 okay up to clear so now here one is the completed one part is completed that is the momentum so momentum is taken along the x-axis and along the y-axis these two equations are squaring and adding we get the final equation okay got it so last one now here taken kinetic energy also so the kinetic energy is applicable of m so here I am according to law of conservation of kinetic energy of the system before collision is equal to the kinetic energy of the system after collision so before collision of m u square so is equal of m v1 square plus of m v2 square we can write of m is taken common both sides so cancel to each other so remaining equation we get u square is equal v1 square plus v2 square this is called as a equation 3rd equation 4th okay got it so u is equal that means here also like a square both sides squaring okay so u square is equal v1 square plus v2 square here also u square is equal v1 square plus v2 square okay so u square place లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాను వాల్యూ v1 square plus v2 square ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ v1 square v2 square v1 square v2 square cancel okay got it so remaining equation minus 2 minus 2 v1 v2 cos theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 0 okay so minus r plus r is taken that is what is the 2 v1 v2 cos theta 1 plus theta 2 okay so here that is the v1 is not is equal to 0 v2 is not is equal to 0 that something values having okay and the 0 in కాదు that means cos theta 1 plus theta 2 So multiplication what is taken? 2v1 v2. So multiplication we go to outside 0 by something. So 0 by something also 0, but is not 0. v1 is not 0, v2 is not 0. Something value is having. Okay. So the remaining equation we get cos theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal 0. So theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal. Value is taken. Cos theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal 0. That చెప్పింది. Cos theta is equal 0. ఎప్పుడు 0 అయితే theta is equal ఎంత 0 అయితే 90 degrees. Cos 90 is equal 0. Cos theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal 0. That means theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal okay. Correct. 90 degrees. So that is the 90. So cos 90 is equal 0. So the theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal 90 degrees. So that is means right angles to each other. Okay. But ఇక్కడ steps మాత్రం నేను కంప్లీట్ రాయాలి. బోర్డు సరిపోతుంది. ఓకే. మీరు కంప్లీట్ స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ రాసుకోవాలి. నేను లా ఆఫ్ కన్జర్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ మొమెంటం రాయలేదు. లా ఆఫ్ కన్జర్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ కినెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ కూడా ఎక్కువ రాయలేదు. డైరెక్ట్ ప్రాసెస్ అని ఈక్వేషన్. ఓకే. సో అంటే స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ మంచి నీట్గా రాస్తాను.